Hello, assalamu alaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I will show how to make this object in Solidworks software. So at first I am taking the new file. Okay, then I am selecting the MMGS. So I am selecting the Extruded Boss and top plane is selected. Then go to the center rectangles and SKS center rectangle. This length dimension will be 100 millimeter and the width dimension it will be 60 millimeter. Okay, close the drawing. Then okay, again I am selecting the Extruded Boss and click is here. Then go to the normal. Okay, then I am selecting the corner rectangle and draw a rectangle. Here the width dimension will be 10 millimeter. Okay, done. And it will be height will be 90 millimeter. Okay, done. Then I am selecting this space. After selecting the Extruded Boss and click here, then Ctrl 8 or go to here and select it. Then draw a rectangle. Okay, and here the length dimension will be 60 millimeter and width dimension will be 10 millimeter. Okay, then Ctrl 7, then close the drawing, and height would be 90 millimeter. Okay, done. Then go to the mirror command and go to here and front plane is selected, click one side and okay, done. Then go to the fillet and select the full round fillet, one click, select another side is another face and another side. Okay, done. Then again fillet selected, one click, another side face, another click, another press and another click. Okay, done. Then again fillet is selected, then one click, face is selected, another click, then this face is selected, another click. Okay, done. Then again plate is selected, one face, one click, another press, another click and another face, another click. Done. Then select the Extruded Cut and select it, go to the circle and sketch a circle. Dimension will be 30 millimeter and close the drawing and okay. Then again select the Extruded Cut, select it, go to the circle and draw a circle whose radius will be 30 millimeter, close the drawing, then okay. Again for side, Extruded Cut is selected, click here, circle is selected and it will be 30 millimeter also. Then click here and it will be through all for both sides. Okay, done. Then I am selecting the metal and it will be steel, polish steel is selected, full body is select and we can change the color, this color, that color. Okay, this color, I am selecting this color and okay. Then fillet is again selected and constant radius, then click here, done, 10 millimeter also, and fillet is again selected again and this side, then 10 millimeter radius. Okay, done. Okay, you can see this body, and you can change the shape. Okay, this way. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.